Hey everyone, and welcome back to edritt. In this lecture, we are going to study about hexadecimal number systems. Okay, the number system which is widely used in computers and the assembly language. So before wasting our time, let's start this interesting lecture. So what are hexadecimal number system? Hexadecimal number. So the hexadecimal number system. So in hexadecimal number system, the radix R is equal to 16, which means it has 16 symbols. Okay, so the symbols are from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We'll take a pause and continue in some time. Take an example when you want to represent a number which is bigger than 9. Let's say I'm taking an example of 105. Now this 10 is a single symbol and this 5 is a single symbol. Now, do you think a reader can distinguish whether this 10 is a single symbol, not, you know, 1 and 0 separately? I mean, not 1 and 0 separately. No, right? A reader can get confused whether it is 105 or 105 in hexadecimal, right? This is why instead of representing it through numbers, we'll represent it through alphabetical numbers. So this 10 will represent as A. Okay, so this whenever I want to write 10 as a place value of this digit and 5 the place value of this digit, I'll write it as A5. Okay, so the numbers further after 9, the positional number further after 9 will be A, B, C, D, and E. Okay, now this A represents what? This A represents 10, B represents 11, C represents 12, D represents 13, E represents 14. And one more is F. So F represents 15. Okay. So again, R is equal to 16. We have from 0, 1, 2 up to R minus 1 symbols present. Again, you can see all the PNCs which we can, all the PNCs which we can do with these numbers for the various number of digits, 0 to 15, 0 to 15, 0 to 15, which is 16 raised to power n, where n represents number of digits, let's say. Now, one thing to note here is, now let's put a note over here. That note is all these number systems, which all these number systems are positional number system. So what do we mean by positional number systems? You have to wait till next lecture. So thank you for watching this video. This completes our basic understanding of different radix number system, which is binary, decimal, hexadecimal, and octal. In the further lectures, we'll discuss more about conversion from one to another, etc. So please bear with me in this course curriculum. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.